Okay, we go to our last topic. Okay, writing the recurring decimal as a fraction. You learned this in your grade 7 or 8, I'm not sure. Not grade 9, not grade 10, in 7 or 8. Recurring decimal. What does it mean by recurring decimal? Recurring decimal means it has a decimal digit that repeats over and over again. Endless. The repeated decimal digits. So this is for the case one recurring decimal digit. Let's say like 0.22222 or 0.333333. All these are called one recurring decimal digit. Only one decimal digit is repeated. All right, make sure the decimal digit has only one decimal digit. Then our next step is let the x equals to recurring decimal. Okay. Next one, multiply the equation by 10. All right, here is the key part. Multiply the equation by 10, not 100, not 1,000, but 10. If this is one recurring decimal digit, you multiply the equation for both sides. And then simplify both sides, solve for the x. Then you will have the answer in fraction. Remember, our goal is want to write the recurring decimal as a fraction. So your final answer must be in fraction. Okay, let's look at this first example. 2, and then we have a dot on top. 2. So this means what? This means 0.222 and so on. Repeat over again. All right. Our first step is what? So remember? Let's see our. Okay. Let x equals to. Let x equals to 0.2, and then there's a dot on top of this 2. Multiply the equation by for both sides. You multiply this equation by 10 for both sides. That gives you 10x on the left-hand side. And guess what? This will. If you multiply this by 10, you move the decimal digits, decimal point to the right-hand side, one decimal place. So it will be 2.22222, right? So basically, it's actually 2.2. There's a dot on top of the digit 2. And now you can try to split this one. Let me check. Okay. You can split this one to 2 plus 0.2, right? You notice? You can split this one into 2 plus 0.2. 2.2222 means 2 plus 0.2222. And you can actually replace this one with 0.2222 means what? X. So now you have 2 plus x. Okay. So there's one more extra step you need to take care of here. You have to split the recurring decimal digit into 2 terms. I missed one step there. You should include it. Okay, you should split this one into 2 terms. Okay, one is a whole number, another one is a recurring decimal number. And this you can convert to x. And now in this equation, it only has x, right? You can solve for the x already. So you move the x to the left-hand side, become 9x. And x will be equal to 2/9. Next one. This one. So what makes this different from the previous one? Yeah? It has a fixed decimal digit, right? And a decimal digit. The decimal digit is 3. Okay. You still follow the guidelines, all right? Let x equals to 0.366666. And then you have to recognize that this is actually the one recurring decimal digit. Okay, so you should times this equation by 10. Move the decimal point to the right. 3.6. All right, let me check. 3.6 minus x. Is it minus x? I think it's minus. Yeah, forgot I did one extra step. Okay, I remember. Okay, you have to minus x, right? I don't remember. I teach you last time. I forgot the one extra step. Okay, this one, again, you times x for both sides. Okay, you have this, and then you have to minus x for both sides. Okay, I forgot this one already. Yeah? I need to include this step here. So minus x is 0.36, right? Okay, for this part, you can simplify it. Okay, this is how you simplify it. Okay, you take 3.6666 minus 0.3666 and so on, right? So you get this one. You can cut out all the 6. So you have 3.3. So now this one left 3.3, and this is 9x. This is how you simplify it. So x equals to 3.3 over 9. All right, the key part is this one. After you times x, time the equation by 10 minus both sides by x. The left hand side is minus x. The right hand side, the x is actually this one. So I replace the x with this one, and then you simplify this. You have 3.3, and you get the x 3.3 over 9. Okay, so that's the end of this workshop. So see you in the next workshop.